Hello, Josh.
Hello.
And we are listening to who right now?
Henry.
Henry. And it is, I believe,
Did you say cakes?
1:33.
Okay.
So, this is what I deal with every day. What are you doing? Hey, Henry? What are you doing? What are you doing, Henry? Hey, Henry? You being loud? Henry being a loud boy? You're silly. Say hello, Henry. You will play shy now? You will go hide? This is Henry. The world's loudest bird.